What's up guys? Recently, OPPO Vice President Brand Chen teased the upcoming RENO3 Pro 5G on Twitter with an image that shows part of its right side. The internet has produced a full frontal render of the smartphone, so without further ado, here it is in all its glory. Ladies and gentlemen, this is OPPO RENO3 5G render. As you can see, there is a punch hole on the left for the single selfie cam, which is either smaller than most or the handset itself is rather big. The RENO3 Pro 5G will be the Chinese company's first dual mode 5G smartphone. That means it works with both standalone and non-standalone 5G networks. This phone will be made official in the month of December 2019, and we are expecting that this will be the slimmest dual mode 5G smartphone that we have seen till now. The RENO3 Pro 5G has a curved touchscreen that, according to past leaks, it is 6.5 Full HD Plus AMOLED with 90Hz refresh rate. The RENO3 Pro 5G is likely to have a 4500 mAh of battery with 30 watt fast charging, but no wireless charging is provided. Also, from the rumor land comes the information about the Snapdragon 735 chipset running things in this phone. This will be coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage. The phone will have a 32MP of selfie cam and a quad rear setup with a main camera sensor of 60MP. It will run on the newly unveiled ColorOS 7 based on Android 10. It is the fastest and smoothest version yet of OPPO skin, with faster app starts and system response time, as well as better optimized touch response. Price-wise, for the Chinese market, it will allegedly hover around equivalent to 425 to 465 pounds, which is approximately $450 to $500. So these are the details we know about the upcoming OPPO RENO3 series smartphone. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.